Jackson.
Let's pretend, kids! Hey guys, welcome to Art Time with Miss Violet. Today we're going to be drawing Rudolph. Especially since there is 6 days until Christmas, you really want to be in that holiday spirit. So let's begin. So first what you want to do is you want to draw a circle for Rudolph's head. It's going to be kind of like a huge U. But also you want it to look good. Like just a huge U for Rudolph's head. You can use a pencil or a Sharpie. I'm gonna use a pencil today. And what you're gonna do once you've got to the huge U, you're gonna start a little bit above the parts of the head. You'll see why I did that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make this line kind of curving like this, like that. You're gonna make it pretty long. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it a bit far and you're gonna connect that for his ear. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw another line on the other side and you're gonna do the same thing we did last time. I'm gonna erase this one real quick. So I can redo it. Because it didn't look the best. If you accidentally, and you can also stop the video if you need to catch up with me. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna really close to the line. You're gonna draw another curving line that's smaller than the other one, and you're gonna draw another curving line on the other side facing the other way. And you're gonna do the same thing that you did last time with this ear. But so that's his head. Let's start with his body before we do his 8 ears. You're gonna draw this kind of oval shape, not too big. You don't want it too big that it takes over the face. You want some room. And then what you're gonna draw is you're gonna draw a kind of a small U for Rudolph's nose. You know Rudolph's nose is starting, but you don't want it to be too big like I did. I'll just erase it. But take your time. You don't have to be rushed by me. I'm only trying to do it for you guys. So, then once you're done with his nose, you're gonna draw a circle. And a circle, a smaller circle, like a kind of a U facing that way. And you're gonna draw a smaller U facing the big one that you just did. And then you're gonna draw right next to his face, kind of like a hill, like this. And you're gonna color in the eye. Real quick. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with his antlers. But first we gotta make sure that it has space. So make sure to do that. So you're gonna draw like a little hill kind of thing for the top of his head. And then you're gonna start a line. Kind of like 2 antennas. And then right by the ear, you're gonna draw that. And then you're gonna draw a little, like, it looks like a finger, cartoony finger, but like really chubby and small. On each side, you're gonna go a little higher and do it like that. And then soon enough you'll stop. And then you're gonna draw, and then you're gonna do a curve, and then you're gonna draw a line that goes back down. And then you can make a bunch of these things all over the antlers, so you can get the perfect thing. Kind of look like a cactus. Or kind of should look like a cactus. And there you have it, the antlers. And then you're gonna draw a little U, like for like it hanging on to Rudolph. Then what you're gonna do is we're gonna start with the body since we just finished the face. You're gonna draw a U, and you're gonna finish, and you're gonna draw lines by the U, and you're gonna finish the U, and then you're gonna make, the same size U, but facing this way, facing down. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a line, and then you're gonna make a U, another U. You're kind of gonna erase some of that. So, we're gonna kind of erase some of that. To draw his arms. I'm gonna make sure I don't see any lines. You're gonna draw little lines, and then you're gonna draw half a little circle at the bottom. And then you're gonna draw another line facing this way, facing right. And you're gonna color that in for his hoofs. And what you're gonna do then is you're gonna draw a line kind of curving. And then you're gonna draw a circle. And you're gonna draw another circle on the other side. He's so cute. And then you're gonna draw a line in the middle. And you're gonna color it in lightly. Obviously, you don't have to do the coloring part like with the eyes and hoofs this time, but I'm gonna do that right now. And that's how you can make Rudolph. Later night, walking around Christmas tree and a happy holidays. Walking around Christmas tree and a happy holiday. The hall with flowers, with halls so tally, messing around Christmas and a happy holidays. When we are gone, when you are gone. Now we're going to be doing his name. You don't have to, but I am going to. I'm going to be using brown in red. I usually like when I'm drawing names for it to like be 3D or either be 3D or have more than just a line. And then you're gonna color this in, obviously. We're gonna color the D. This is his shiny nose. Yay. It's perfect. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out Kelly's Corner and Jack's Two Adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.